Hello students, today we'll learn about single inheritance. In the previous class, I have already told you about single inheritance. Means in single inheritance, there is one derived class and one base class. This is base class, okay? And here is an example that I have taken the base class as name base, and for derived class the name is derive. You can take it. You can take other names also like A, B. Okay. So I have taken here all datas or the data members and member functions as public. Okay. You also you can check it by taking int x as private, that can you inherit it or not. Okay, so void get data, it is the member function for this base class, and okay, here we are entering the value of x, c in x, and class derive, let public base, and here int y is private. Okay, so and public is your void read data cout, and this one. So this is completely your okay, this is completely the example of single inheritance. Let's see the explanation. Okay, so first we will run, or the compiler will run from the main function. Okay, first derive a, that means this is your object of your derived class. Okay, as you can see I have written here, a is an object of class derive. So by using the object of derived class, we are calling the function of base class. This is the function of base class. Okay, is a function of base class, and this function is your public, as you can see in the example, that this get data is your declared as public. Okay, so you can call it by using the object, but if it is declared as private, then you cannot call it in the main function by using the object of derived class. Okay, so now this object will, and read data is okay, read data is the function of derived class, and as you can see the defining or definition of the derived class, that class, then derived class name, then it is a public, and it is your base class name. Okay, and public means I have already told you that if it is declared as public, then everything that is public for base class will be public for the derived class, but the private data cannot be inherited. Okay, and so private, and then and also here in the base class this y is taken as private. So here we are not calling the value for y, or we are not inputting the value, or we are not using the value of y in the main function, as it is private. Okay, it is a simple example. So what will be the output of this? So by calling this a get data, that means enter the value of x, let's say it is 3, and read data, let's the value of y is 4, and for the product function by using cout product s x dot y. Here also you can write take another, let z, int z equals to xy, and here you will write what, cout z, like this. Okay, you can also write these two lines in this place of this. Okay. So it is all about your single inheritance. It is an example. Okay, you will check it by using the private concept, by taking here private, and also take it also take here one data member as private, and complete or rewrite this program again. Okay, thank you. And any type of doubt you can ask me.